Well, it's February 20th here in East Tennessee. Warmest day we've had all year. It's actually a record-breaking day. It's like 71 degrees or something. But I'm out messing with the gardens, and thought of one good way to show you guys how to know when it's time, and that's looking at the outdoor plants. And these bad boys are daffodils. Their first bloom. They're getting ready. 2 on that one. I got them planted through here with bulbs, so once they start getting ready to bloom, the soil's getting warm. So I want to start getting ready for some cold weather crops over here in my 4x8 beds. And I'll show you another thing I'm doing. If you can see, 4 foot by 8 foot bed. I got this jute twine here laid out. It's like square foot gardening. If you know anything about that, that's where I got the idea from. So you just take every foot on your boards, put a screw in, and then run you I got jute twine, and you end up with 1 foot by 1 foot squares. So that'll help you space everything out. You can fit as much as possible in your bed. And it doesn't have to be 4x8. It can be whatever size bed you got. Just so that way you can, put your 1 foot by 1 foot square there, so you'll know. A lot easier than eyeballing it or using your foot or whatever. So I use my foot a lot. But it all works. So getting everything cleaned up. I'm not gonna till it. I'm gonna try and quit tilling. I don't have a good tiller. I'm not like anti using a tiller, but I can't afford a really good tiller, and I've got like this little $100 job that takes forever, works me to death. So I'm trying to go no-till. It's pretty interesting too. And right here is some garlic I put in. I just got some garlic at Food City last year in October and busted them up, stuck them in the ground. And I mean, they're gonna work. We'll have a pretty good little lot of garlic here. That was easy. So that's what I got going on. We'll finish this out. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I started a bunch of plants super early, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and throw some garlic and, well, not garlic, it's already out, but onions and broccoli, stuff like that out. See how they do. Might storm tomorrow, so I don't know if I want to do it today or not. Another thing the old timers say is if it thunders in February, it's going to frost in April. They're calling for thunderstorms tomorrow on 21st, so we'll see about that. But basically, can't find anything, but as far as barking your bed out, super easy. As easy as it looks. You just pull your tape or whatever you got to measure with, mark it there, the 1 foot, 2 foot, every foot. I marked the whole thing first. Come in, stick your screw in there, and then wrap it with your jute twine. Where's that at? Take your jute twine, wrap it, just one string. Just pull it, wrap it, move it, wrap it, until you got it all gridded out, and tie it off on the first one and the last one. And then once you get everything planted, you can take your jute twine up, roll it back up, and use it somewhere else. So that's what I'm doing today. Y'all take it easy out there.